Kisii Police Arati ara moja gana boy gomoro bwo kubatoka chibasari chicheke chibasari kocha chiwodi seri tukulero gati chiwodi chingamane ward area Kisii Central na boy go kitu Central amone chiwodi chinde chibono chanyara konyora chibasari ja seri tukulero cheke chini go chiaba chikubwato kwa ebunenchira mu yokonyara go sira chisemi korengana no mugavana go kona kurwa segeti kya stadium ni gate birubune ganga yano kaniki nango sira chisemi ngase county ya Kisii igobono cheke chicho na nyara kubato ko chia sabaro ke wa form 2 form 3 na bogina form 4 na boy god wa chiskuru cho bundia haigase county ya Kisii Arati ni gata biribon chiwodi chinde boy gonchi konya chibasa richo unenchire mu yokonyara gosira chiko decho ngasate biruna gode go chiko tumaiga na koneke buno bokordio bubokoro weche ke chibasa ni gokora korekane asi chiwodi chonse merongena na isano imeje county ya Kisii wanchire ya konde wensi gotayo.
Mr. Speaker, Honorable MCS, members of the county executive present, stakeholders in the education sector, distinguished invited guests, students, ladies and gentlemen. I'm pleased to officiate the launch of distribution of the county bursary fund checks for the year 2024 to the various beneficiaries across all 45 wards. This time round, we are dispersing a total of 245 million shillings in bursaries to over 60,000 students in various secondary schools and vocational training centers. This is the second bursary allocation we are dispersing since my administration revived the county bursary fund, which had previously been done away with. I regret that this disbursement is coming in a date, having personally given out application forms in February. As you are aware, the delay was occasioned by a stoppage of our county budget due to stoppage or sabotage from the same leaders who petitioned to COB. Today, we are shaming the devil by this exercise where beneficiary students are receiving their checks just in time to start their second term in school. And I want to tell those saboteurs, shame on you. I agree with the need of minority, but for this kind of criminal action, where we're going to kill the ambitions, the lives of so many people, those people must be ashamed and they should come back, apologize to our people. I'm sorry, I know some students are sent away from school, whereas we had checks here. I feel for you, my people. But as a leader, I'll stand with you through thick and everything.